Hello everyone! In today's video we're going to be talking about the latest update for LazyPublisher. This update contains the most important information from your Amazon Ads dashboard, but now within LazyPublisher. This means you won't have to switch to the Amazon advertising page as often, and you can simply and quickly check the most important information, such as your expenditures for specific campaigns. So let's get started. As you can see, a new entry has now been added to the left sidebar, and that's the Ads dashboard. Once you click on this, you'll be able to see this overview. I will now take a moment to explain it to you. Here we have, once again, the breakdown of all the marketplaces, and then specifically the two marketplaces where I run my advertising campaigns, the German marketplace and the US marketplace. Just as you would in the normal dashboard of LazyPublisher, you have the option here, when you click on any individual marketplace, to simply adjust the user interface and thereby control all the relevant data exclusively for that specific marketplace. I've just clicked on this, and now it's only showing me all the advertising data from the German marketplace. Then over here on the right, we once again have a date display, just like the one we're already familiar with from the main dashboard. By default, the last 7 days are set, and you can simply click something else here or select a specific date. For example, if I click on this month now, the overview changes. All of it will be loaded, allowing for better control. Then we have the KDP ads metrics, familiar from the standard dashboard, but now configured for your chosen date range. Again, with the spend, sales, ACOS, CPC, clicks, etc. This way, you quickly gain a comprehensive overview of everything for the specific period you have selected. Then, located here below, you find the Ads Performance section. This shows you, for each individual day, the number of orders and the associated ad spend, allowing you to quickly verify if anything seems to be out of the ordinary. Next, we've added all the campaigns here. This way, you can quickly check if any campaign is overspending or if anything else isn't right. All the parameters you know from your Amazon advertising dashboard are included here. This display works in a similar way to the Manage section. Here you can also, of course, turn off columns or move them. If you, for example, want, I don't know, the clicks to appear further front, then you can simply move them, and then they are just here, right here in front. You can, of course, also filter everything, for instance, by its status. You can choose to only display delivering or just post. You can search for a specific campaign if you wish to do so, and it also functions perfectly well if you then intend to make edits to that particular campaign. Once you click on it, you will be immediately redirected into the Amazon advertising dashboard, taking you precisely to that exact campaign. As an additional feature, we have integrated this product overview, which you might already know from the Amazon advertising dashboard. There, all your products are listed, and you can also see all the various spend or CPC, etc., then filter, search, and so much more. This solution was absolutely essential for me, because I didn't want to be checking my Amazon advertising dashboard multiple times a day, but rather just have the most important data quickly and easily in one overview. There's really nothing more to explain about this. I hope you can make good use of this update and that we've managed to make your work process a bit easier. I'd be delighted if you would subscribe to the channel, share or like the video, and also leave a comment telling us what you like about this update or what you might want to change or have added. Or you could simply leave a nice comment down below for us. I truly hope that we'll see you again in our very next video, and I wish you all a truly wonderful day and many, many sales. Alright then, bye for now. Ciao.